Hello everyone. Welcome to Price is Supreme. Real trades, real money. Every new day comes with new challenges. Hence, trading is all about making informed decisions. Just do the best of your analysis and trade it. When you enter a trade, put a stop loss and a target in the system and wait for either to get hit. If target is hit, be happy and enjoy the money you made. But if your stop loss is hit, do not get bogged down. Stop loss trades carry valuable information. These informations help us to build a strong strategy. It helps us to understand the mistake we have done while taking these stop loss trades. Take the information, add it back to your strategy, and move forward to take another trade. There are two ways to become successful in trading. One, to make 100% trades work in your favor, or to reduce loss making trades. For example, out of 10 trades, if you make 8 loss and 2 profit, that might seem like a very poor performance. But if you can find out the reason of such stopped out trade, then will you be taking those 8 setups again in future? The answer will be no, not at all. So that means you are not going to take those bad trades again, but you will definitely take the good trades. This way, your number of trades will reduce and your success ratio will increase. And at last, we have received the entry for the short trade. Oops, we got a stop out. We made a loss of 10 points in Nifty. Another important aspect of stop loss trades are it kills your confidence and makes you emotionally fragile. So after a stop loss trade, you will mostly be not able to take another trade. Rather, you will be more comfortable to wait and watch what the next trade does. And the next trade will always work. This is the irony of trading. This emotional effect will continue for another couple of trades and all of them will work. And after a few days, when you will get back your confidence and take a new trade, the trade will fail, which will completely crush your confidence. This is the irony of trading. So, to overcome this emotional issue, you need to do is to take all the trades you have analyzed. Do not be impulsive to take another trade without a proper analysis. Always trade with predefined stop loss and target. Always put in your stop loss and target in the system. Once you are in the trade, let the price play its game. Work for either stop or target. If you are doing that, then you will never be able to get the success which you want. You will never be able to get 5:1 trades. So you have to wait for either stop or target. If needed, move away from the screen once you are in a trade. Always remember, more than analysis, your own emotion kills the trade. So here is another trade which I analyzed, and I analyzed without any impulsiveness. While trading, I made sure that along with my entry, I put in my stop loss and target in the system. And once I am in, I wait for the target or the stop to happen.
At last the target has been achieved. So the day which we have started with a loss turned into a profitable day with this 5:1 trade.